It's been an amazing 24 hours for Bitcoin, making some bullish moves to the upside, and tremendous gains have been made in the last 24 hours. In today's video, we're going to take a look at what we should be looking out for when it comes to Bitcoin. Hi, I'm Chris and welcome to Cheeky Crypto. If you enjoyed today's video, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. And jump in our Discord, link is in the description. It's absolutely free to join. No reason not to. 4,500 people supporting one another, navigate this space safely. Right, let's get down to the desktop. So here we are on CoinMarketCap now. The total market cap of all crypto is up 6.94%. You heard me right, 6.94%. We are now back over $1 trillion market cap for the whole entire market of crypto at 1.02 trillion. So, you know, that's really interesting because we dropped down quite significantly over previous weeks, and all that momentum has been gained, you know, recently in the last 24 hours. So this is fantastic to see. And Bitcoin is hovering just above $21,000 at 21,08174, up 9.91% in the last 24 hours and 4.11% in the last 7 days. So this is fantastic. So it's been a fantastic 24 hours for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto space with all those green candles. You know, it's been really bullish, and obviously that achievement of, you know, getting over the $1 trillion mark again for the total market cap of crypto is fantastic. However, I think we should be really cautious in the space still. Now, I'm not sort of FOMOing in. We never do that here at Cheeky Crypto. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, and you should treat this as educational purposes only, and definitely, you know, refrain from FOMOing in. Go away, do your research, you know, and make your own financial decisions. But I do kind of want to be cautious in this space, particularly when you're seeing stuff like this come from the White House and, you know, just the US in general, and this whole agenda around climate control. What does this actually mean for proof of work projects? You know, are they going to get regulated out of the space? I don't think that's likely to happen. I think that there will be a big push on trying to talk through the benefits and the way that actually green energy is used for a lot of this proof of work stuff, particularly with the likes of Bitcoin and so forth, right? But Bitcoin mining threatens America's climate change efforts, White House Science and Tech Department says. And basically, you know, there's talk about trying to regulate it out of the space, and this is going to be an agenda that we see an awful lot, particularly with Ethereum's merge, the likes of Cardano coming up through, you know, the ranks, as they say, you know, with the fact that, you know, it's proof of stake, and, you know, all this stuff, you know, doesn't look good for the, you know, the you know, Bitcoin. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are in the comments below, but this is not pleasant reading. Now, I will link this in the Discord, so do check out the Discord. Link is in the description. Absolutely free to join. Now, moving on, the next thing that I wanted to talk about was, you know, Bitcoin jumps most in 6 months as hopes for 2023 rate cut persist. So, you know, this is basically, you know, articles talking about, you know, the bullish move that we see in the short squeeze and all that wonderful stuff. But, you know, one thing that I have talked about quite a lot on the channel, I don't want to make this video about that, but, you know, all the things that are happening around the world, right? The energy crisis in Europe, right? The fact that we've seen, I guess, Europe, you know, potentially having to bail out some energy companies in Europe, right? We're seeing, you know, price hikes for energy bills for, you know, your general public in the UK and in Europe, right? There's the Russian war in the Ukraine. You've got the stuff with the property crisis in China. There's an awful lot going on. You know, supply chain issues that I've talked about in the past. So, you know, all of this like bullishness, you know, all I'm saying is just be cautious. Now, there's lots of money to be made if you've been trading these markets, and, you know, you've done, you know, well with it, right? In the respect, there's been some really good swings in the market to take advantage of. So, you know, I think traders are going to be the ones that, you know, are doing well, you know, the best at the moment, rather than hodlers, for example. The next thing that I want to talk about is the fact that the market is also going up whilst we're being told, to be careful and expect, tough times and stuff like that. So, this for me feels very much like one of those traps again that we've, seen throughout history when it comes to bear market rallies and stuff like that. So again, let me know what your thoughts and opinions are in the comments below. Again, I won't read through these articles. I'll link them in the Discord, and you can go read through them at your leisure. I want to keep this video as short and as punchy as possible. But yeah, I'm really interested to get your views and opinions on this stuff. For me, crypto is fantastic. Trading, at the moment is probably, where you're going to see the most gains, in my humble opinion. However, hodling and dollar cost averaging when these prices, particularly when Bitcoin goes below 20k, I think a marvelous thing to be doing. So I'm not saying don't dip your toe in crypto, but do know that it's a risk asset, right? Which means that it's going to be the first things to go. When influencers are saying that who's going to be selling Bitcoin at 16, 14, 12 and 10k, well, it will be those people that need to feed their kids, heat their homes and keep the lights on for their businesses. Those will be the people. It won't be those big wealthy billionaires and millionaires. They'll be able to probably soak it up, but they will be selling too. They will be selling before retail. So just be aware of all those things. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on the state of the market in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, mash up that like button. It really does support the channel. I really do appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.